American 1539, we're leaving 1900 going to 3000.
American 1539, Potomac, good morning, radar contact, the Dulles altimeter is 3022, I'm going to get runway assignment for you.
Okay, give us a few minutes here, we're going to get these straightened out. We'll make it an official Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. We have a number 2 engine fail. We got to run some checklists on the way to Dulles.
American 1539, understood. American 1539, the runway, if you decide to go to Dulles, will be your discretion.
1539, just a failure, so we're going to run some checklists here and get everything up. So probably give us a good 5 to 10 minutes. You need fuel installed?
Hey, affirmative, whenever you guys have a second.
94 sold, fuel on board is 7.7. Fuel about an hour and 40 minutes.
Very good, copy all, thank you.
1787, contact Potomac, Park Square Flight.
1787, so long.
2019, traffic 4 out, no delay in position, runway 19, line up away.
American 2019, line up away, runway 19.
American 1528, watch out, pull up to hold short, runway 19, you'll be after the next arrival.
Hold short 19, American 1528.
24 26, right on Foxtrot, right on Juliet, ground point 7, rolling right behind you.
We got Foxtrot.
2019, traffic approaching 2.5 out, 1210 at 6, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
American 2019, clear for takeoff, runway 19.
West correction 1290 Washington Tower, keep your speed up, no traffic sparks prior to you, 12106, runway 19er, clear to land. American 1528 Washington Tower, after next 2 arrivals now, full hold closed up.
American 1528.
1290 Washington Tower. Contact Potomac Park, clear flight.
American 2019, switch to Barge, good day.
West 19 Washington Tower, no traffic sparks prior to you, runway 19er, clear to land, 12106. West 1290 Tower.
Clear to land, 19, Southwest 1290.
Air 4335, right on Foxtrot, right Juliet, ground point 7, traffic's 2 out.
Juliet, ground point 6, right.
51 Washington Tower, traffic sparks prior to your arrival, wind 2106, runway 19er, clear to land.
Hey Tower, good morning, Blue 250-51 on the river visual 19.
250-51 Washington Tower, 12106, runway 19er, clear to land, traffic sparks prior to your arrival.
Alright, sir, 19 clear to land, Blue 250-51.
1528, traffic 4 out, no delay in position, runway 19er, line up away.
Line up away, runway 19, American 1528.
1539 Washington Tower, you up with me? West 1290, right on Foxtrot, ground point 7, rolling right behind you.
Right on Foxtrot, ground point 7, Southwest 1290.
1528, traffic approach is 2.5 out, Winds are 210 at 6, runway 19er, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 19, American 1528.
American 1539, Washington Tower, if able to reduce all the way to final traffic departs prior to your arrival, wind 210 at 6, runway 19, clear land.
American 1539, I'm getting back to you towards Dulles, turn left heading 280, and you cleared to Dulles via radar vector.
Turn 280 to Dulles, American 1539.
American 1539, you contact Dulles final on 125.8.
125.8, American 1539.
Okay, 220 heading to join the 19 left localizer, and we'll plan on stopping on the runway. I think we took a bird strike to the right engine, so we'll have to check out the right engine on the runway, and if it looks good to taxi, we'll taxi to the gate.
We'll communicate down the tower at this time. American 1539 at 6 miles from left, maintain at or above 2,000 until established on the localizer. Cleared ILS, runway 19er left approach.
Okay, 220 heading 2,000 to establish clear for the ILS 19 left, American 1539.